Hello friends, income tax return filing has been already started for assessment year 2023-24. The last date for filing income tax return is 31st of July 2023. You should file your income tax return on or before this date, that is 31st of July 2023. ITR 1 and ITR 4 has been already available on the income tax portal for filing, and remaining ITR like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will soon be available on the portal. So there are few important things that you need to keep in your mind before filing of your income tax return. I would say these are the basic things that you must have with you and that you need to check before filing of your income tax return. First is, don't forget to check your AIS, TIS and Form 26As, which is already available on the income tax portal. What it is, what are these documents? These documents are the record of your transactions that has been already reported to the department, right? So department already have information of some of your financial transactions that you must incorporate in your income tax return. If you will not report these financial transactions in your income tax return, then there is a high possibility that you would receive income tax notice. So please incorporate all the financial transactions that has been already incorporated in your AIS, TIS and Form 26As statements, right? These documents are easily available and you can easily access these documents by logging to the income tax portal. Next important thing that you need to have is, please go through your bank statements for the entire year, right? All the bank statements, including your saving accounts as well as your current accounts if you are a businessman. Take all the transactions into consideration, whether it's a turnover, whether it's a saving interest, whether it's income from other sources, right? Whatever is reflecting in your income tax return, importantly on the credit side, importantly on the deposit side of the statement, don't forget to incorporate that in your income tax return. Next is Chapter 6A deductions, right? Not applicable for those taxpayers who would be opting for new tax regime. Applicable for those taxpayers who will going to be continue file in the old tax regime or opting for the old tax regime, because the Chapter 6A benefit is available only for them, right? Chapter 6A deductions covering your LIC insurance premiums, your home loan benefits, NSCs, 5-year fixed deposit tax saving, right? SIPs, mutual funds with the lock-in of 3 years. So whatever Chapter 6A deductions you have, gather all the documents at one place, right? So that it would be convenient and easier for you to either share this detail with your chartered accountant, or if you are doing it by your own, then you can easily arrive at a figure of Chapter 6A deduction, right? Next is, if you have incurred any capital gain, importantly capital gain on sale of equity shares, right, then don't forget to obtain your profit and loss account statement from your demat service provider, and whatever capital gain that you have incurred on sale of shares, please incorporate that in your income tax return properly, right? Next and the last important and the basic aspect that you must keep in your mind before filing income tax return is that if you are a businessman, then please consider your GST turnover as well as your GST purchase at the time of filing of your income tax return. If you have opted for filing 44AD return like ITR 4, right, then please consider turnover, and the turnover has to be reconciled with the GST turnover. It should not be the scenario that you are reporting X in the GST and you are reporting X plus 1 in income tax return, right? If you will do so, you may get the notice from either one of the department or both the departments, right? So the turnover at both the places in income tax as well as in GST must be reconciled, that why you have reported X amount there and why you reported this amount there, right? And you must ensure that, and that's the best practice, is that the similar turnover should be reported in both the returns, either income tax return or the GST return, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query relating to income tax return filing or any query relating to income tax act, then you can share your query with us. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.